Here I have Samsung Galaxy F34, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So first let's open settings, then you should go to the battery and device care, then you go to storage. So here you have to swipe from internal storage to SD card, tap on three dots here and select format. Then tap format, and after a few seconds all the data will be formatted from SD card and it will be ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.